Hi, have you ever wondered about how you can make a melodic techno drop FX? Then this is a video for you. I'm Mitcha from Soundbridge, a professional DJ and producer, and I'll be showing you this neat trick in less than 2 minutes. Now, before we dive into the tutorial, please hit the like, subscribe and notification buttons so you'll keep getting content like this that helps you improve your craft as a musician. Melodic techno and house captivating aesthetics transport listeners to an emotional voyage. It comprises hypnotic percussion, memorable ARP sequences, captivating soundscapes, and simple yet effective bass lines. Keeping this in mind, I'll demonstrate how to create a melodic techno drop FX in the next tutorial. As you can see from the project, I use the soft synth to generate a long note and a record arpeggiator as a main effect to control the duration and decay of the sound. Let's listen to it solo and then in the context of the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.